Good morning. Today morning I just wake up and I just got the news that I'm a corona positive, so I'm very happy because in order to upload in the YouTube I don't have anything to upload it. So how to cure this corona, I'll just upload you. I just get the information like from other giving advice. I'll be go ahead and I'll be doing these things. So due to until and unless I cure, I'll be uploading the thing that what I am doing right now. So I just already boiled the water and I'll be guggle it. Look, 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 look. I'll be doing it. So I'm going to washroom right now. I make it this one tea leaf, a little salt and adrak, that is ginger. So मैं ऐसे डाल दिया. अभी गगल करके फेस धो के. So yesterday I just sleep at 5 o'clock approximately because I'm playing PUBG all night, and I got a report. So my wife and my doctor, Miss Akim, is already in the down. So I'm going to washroom and I'll be guggle it. I'll wash my face, I'll brush my teeth, and then I'll update you what I need to do again. So I'll be boil this one. I have honey, I have ginger, it's already smashed, and this is tea leaf. So I used to have this one anytime. So I just boil the water, and this is a water bottle. I already put it and it's already boiled. Let it boil, and so I'll be keeping the toy for my kids. So I'm going there to put it down. I'm going and take sanitizer. Corona go. So I'll put this one. So transfer for my kids. Go and put the toy, and I came back. Oh, very hot in outside. I'm a fever or not? I need to check. Before that, I need to drink a hot water. Okay. This is pure honey from Manipur. Yummy. This is good for what? And I already went and take the medicine. So thank you so much for helping me, madam and sir. So I need to just say thank you so much. Nothing to do help. So I just got the medicine here. Let me show Do you see this? So I'll be taking a medicine. Let me drink first. So what do you want to give me an advice? You please give me. So I'll be whole day I'll be filming, and I'll be making long or short, I'm not sure. So have a blessed day and give me good advice, give me a comment. I love you all. So watch till the end. See, I already wrote it because in order to aware in my building. So this is Naga Amos and Corona positive. I just make it simple. This is Corona sign and keep a distance. This is me. This is Naga Amos and keep a 5 meter feet distance. And this is anyone. I put here this one for what reason? You need to be stay strong. So I'll be keep somewhere this one so that they can be able to aware. So check in the YouTube this one and go and check it and subscribe. So I already posted here, and this is the door that they will be coming. So I already posted here so that they can be able to aware about me, so they can able to give a distance so that they cannot be able to affect it. So now I'll be steam. I put in this water, and I have a Vicks and I have a spoon. I'll be putting here. Okay, so I already put it and I'll on it. So this is to steam right now, and I have a towel. I'll be steam, and then I'll be waiting for bathing, and then I'll be having, I already have a lunch or breakfast I mean. So after steam I'll be having a lunch. Until then, drink. If this is a good idea, you also, if you're infected, you need to be like do these things. Let me do exercise. So we need to be fit, so we need to do an exercise. How many time I can able to do? Let me see. This is 25 kg, so I'm doing an exercise. So this is for 1 month to have a food. So after I watch everything, after I steam, I take bath, I just came for my lunch. So this is, as you know, I already tell you, this is cabbage, well, and this is so now let's have a lunch. And one thing, let me tell you, like, well, you have a corona positive, the tasteless, you will be happening. So till now I don't have any tasteless. The taste is good, yummy. carry on. Now, no time to look at in the camera. I'm busy right now. Let me introduce one thing of Naga Amos. This is a free delivery medicine. You can order it. This one. This is everything. You can write on the website everything, and you can WhatsApp in this number. And this is a free delivery. What you need the medicine, you just write in the WhatsApp and contact them. Give your address and network of store. Okay, this is the available for place that you need to get it. Delhi, Gurgaon, Florida. Everything contact number is there. So I'll show you the contact number.